So it's only raining lightly, and here is a bit of a drip. That's speeding up actually, the water's collecting and dripping into this water butt, which has a siphon going over the top of the shed and down into the corresponding water butt on the other side. That's dripping in there as well. Those two are linked, so their levels will always be the same, linked by a siphon. And this one here is linked by a siphon into this barrel, and also to this barrel, and also via another siphon to that battery of old dustbins over there, which all fill up, and the level of all those water butts, all those barrels and tanks will be always the same as they feed and interlink with each other. And then this yellow one also has a siphon which goes across the old tennis court and into the propagation shed, and in the propagation shed it comes into this water butt, which in here is warmer, and the water in here will warm up to the temperature of the propagation tunnel, so you're not shocking the seedlings with cold water. And so all that water comes from that little shed, and the water in this water butt will be at the same level as all the other tanks. Now my only concern with this system at the moment is if water's being taken off quite quickly on a particular day, the colder water from outside comes in and goes to the bottom of this barrel, and cold water stays low and hot water rises, so the cold water coming in will be the first water to come off. So I'm going to have to see if I can create a mechanism whereby it's the warmer top water that comes out of the tap. I'm thinking of doing that by fitting a hose onto the back of this tap, kind of connected to a float, so that the float pulls the other end of the hose up to the top water, just below the top of the water, so it will draw the hot water or the warmer water down from the top of the tank rather than the fresh inflow of cold water. So we'll be working on that, but other than that, the system works quite well. Anytime you take a watering can full of water out of here, it divides it by the number of tanks, and each tank only goes down by that fraction of the total amount that you take. So this one water butt will last a lot longer than it looks because of all the backup tanks. So yeah, thanks for watching this video from Wortley Walled Garden Growers. Do come and visit us if you'd like to find out more. And the rain's picked up, so filling up a little bit quicker now from the two gutters on this little shed.